What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what finally came in the mail today after nearly a month. What's today, the 20 something? It took over 20 days for me to get my Enel Couture package. You guys saw I posted that update of where it was at. I finally got it. So yeah, they shipped it priority 2-day mail. So yeah, I definitely got it 2 days after they had sent me my shipping label. So here's everything. I'm actually really surprised that everything fit inside this little package. I was hoping to get one of those really nice boxes that he sends out with some of his packages, but everything's just kind of in here, just all wrapped up and stuff. So I'm just gonna take everything out and show you guys really quickly what I got. Okay, so we can go ahead and get started. So the first thing I got were some nail files. So I did get some of their smoothie buffers, which look like this. I'm just gonna show you one real quick. So rather than using a e-file on my clients, I would rather just use a buffer. So this is what this one looks like. And this is their smoothie buffer. And these were about, how much were these? Smoothie buffers were 75 cents a piece, so not bad. I got 5 of them. The next thing I got was this reusable file. Well, it's not reusable, replaceable, I guess you can say. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So it's this metal piece right here, and then you apply these nail files to them. So I got the 120 grit 50 piece files. So I'm just gonna take 2 off to show you guys how it works real quick. So they are just like this. On one side, it's the file, and then the other side, it's the sticky part. So you just rip it off right here. What did I do in there? There are. You just peel the sticky part off and you replace it onto the metal pad. And then you have a nail file. So this is just gonna free up some space. So I definitely wanna try these out because I'm always buying these nail files. And so yeah, those are the 2 different files I got. The next thing I got were my base gels. I go through base gel pretty quickly. So anytime I buy their base gel, I buy it in multiples. So I got 2 base gels. You guys know I'm obsessed with his base gels. Just for clarification, this is not glue. A lot of people aren't familiar with soft gel nails, so they think that this is glue. This is gel, and this is what helps adhere the gel extension to your natural nail. So this is a must. If you guys follow him on Instagram, you know he uses a lot of different things like polygel. He has a bunch of different gels that he uses to adhere the nails, but I find this is the easiest and it soaks off the easiest. So if you guys want to see a soak off video, I just uploaded one on Monday, so check that out. So the next thing we're gonna get into are my drill bits. So I got a couple drill bits. Dang, he tapes up everything. These are actually just cuticle bits. So I got his diamond moon bit. I also got another diamond moon bit. I actually ordered 2 on accident, and then I have a diamond mani bit. So I'll show you guys what these look like up close. So these are for cleaning the cuticle area and the nail plate around it. So I love these. Very excited about those. I got 2 on accident, so I'm thinking about giving a giveaway because I did purchase multiples on accident, so I might do a little giveaway. So I totally forgot. So those base gels are $10 a piece, and then these cuticle bits were $1.99. So $1.99 each. So that's not bad at all, at all. Okay, so now we can go into our colors. The first one I got were these Precious Minerals, and these are, if I remember, they're glitter. His packaging is seriously the cutest thing ever. I never bought any of his polishes before, but I always thought that this was like a paper label, but it's actually on there. It's really cool. But yeah, so I got these 3 glitters. I think I accidentally got the same color. So this one will be in the giveaway. If you guys can see, it's like a gold, but I will have a swatch of these. Like I said, these are the Precious Mineral colors. First one is a gold. Second one's the same one, and then this one is like a bluish green. So very chunky glitters. The last thing I got was a bunch of Space Kitty colors, which I'm so excited for because these are the magnet polishes. And you guys know I already had a whole bunch from, what was that brand? I think it was Born Pretty or something. It was from Born Pretty. And they were absolutely terrible, the stickiest gels I've ever used. So I told myself I'm gonna get a bunch that are actually in a bottle with a brush. So I decided to go with E. Nail Couture's, and I got almost all the colors. I got a lot of colors. So these Space Kitty gels are $7.50 a pop, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 8 different colors, and there's a total of 16 colors. So I'm very excited to try these out. I'm just gonna show you guys the packaging real quick, and then I'll go over the swatches. How do you not obsess over this? It kind of reminds me of the Apres. It's kind of like Apres, but I think Max did it first. And I'm not just saying that because I love his products, but yeah. But I know he's had these bottles for a while, so really cute. So yeah, I'm gonna go over swatches, and yeah. Galaxy Kitty. And these honestly seem multi-dimensional, so there's a lot of different colors in them. So I'm really bad at doing this whole cat eye thing, but this definitely makes it easier when it's in a bottle. So we're gonna activate it. I'm just using the side here. Ooh, you see it change already? So we're gonna activate it. And then let's go in with this one. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So you have that. How pretty. The next one is in number 8, which seems kind of the same. Oh, it's a little more green. Let's see what happens when it's activated. Do you want to get your shower out of the way so when you're done, I turn it back on? Activate it. Let's see, we're gonna go in with the cat eye one. Ooh, how pretty. Okay, so next one is number 10. This is more like a purpley. So pretty. What can we do with this? We can push it. Activate it. I'm gonna go from up here and do an ombre. So you have a nice little ombre. So pretty. Next is number 11. So you activate.
Does that mean people can join? Ready up.
So pretty. I'm like, what do I want to do with this? I don't know. Just another classic cat eye. So pretty. This is a green one. I think this is one of his new 6D ones. 6-dimensional. colors.
I already have Meow, so
So I'm gonna grab the circle magnet and put it under. I think the snail's too small to do that.
I bought the battle pass yesterday, and I like skipped the whole entire thing. I don't have Bloom yet. I'm gonna see where it starts off on. It starts off on. Dude, I'm almost
hear that?
level 100.
Okay, so now we can get into the other ones. This is number 14, and I do have another 14 that will be in a giveaway. Ooh, this is pretty. It's kind of like a, oh, there's glitter in it. Ooh. It's like a mermaid teal.
I have 500 miles to go, but I can see the agency. I'm swimming. Somebody
Oh my
killed
gosh.
herself.
I just want to leave it like that.
Everybody keeps on killing herself.
Smooth it up
I
more.
know. Oh, you killed someone.
Oh my god.
You killed someone.
Do you see that?
What?
Freaking beautiful. I'm over here obsessing. Okay, next one is 16. I think this is another glitter one. These are like the new ones. Yes, it's a gold. Look at that gold.
I know. Oh, I see people.
Ooh.
They're on a boat. No!
Not much is shifting. This one isn't shifting that much.
Yeah.
Very faint.
I think you're talking about walking woods. Wait, what's it called?
Can you guys see a little bit?
Yeah, like I forgot.
That one's tougher to get to
I got
change.
these chests.
Last color is 16.
I don't
No,
know.
13?
Hacker!
Did I have it out of order?
Hacker for him.
Did I do this already? Oh no. So it's the same kind of like glitter, but this one's reddish.
Buster, the guy that somebody spawned the egg in. I can't got it to default.
It's a straight line. Okay. So we're gonna cure this and this. Here is everything. And a really quick close-up of all the nail colors. Yep. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any of the products, make sure you leave them down below. Anything that I mentioned will be listed down below also. I'll definitely include the links and all that. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. And yes, I will see you in the next video. Bye.